Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy MADMAC here, and today I'm going to be bringing you a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your profile picture on Discord. This is going to be mobile and PC video, but we're going to start off with PC, so yeah, let's get right into it. So, uh, what you're going to want to do is you want to go to your user settings, which is right down here in the bottom left corner. You're going to click on that. It's going to say My Account. You're just going to stay on My Account. You're going to hit Edit. And then you can click on change avatar or the circle, whatever. You can click that, and then it'll bring up all of your pictures, or it'll bring up your file, whatever, your file thing, and you just find a picture that you want to change it to. I'm gonna change it to this kid, and I'm gonna save it, and then yeah, that's basically all you need to do for PC. Just to show you it works, I'm just gonna type something in chat. See, it was Iron Man before, and now it's this boy. Uh, so yeah, that's basically all it is. It's really simple. If you didn't know how to do it, that's how you do it on PC. Now I'm gonna switch over and show you how to do it on mobile. Alright, so now you can see I'm on mobile now. You can see my chat that I said SS. So this is how you change it on mobile. You're gonna hit the three lines at the top of your screen. And then you're going to go to your bottom part of your screen. It's going to have three little icons. Just click on the gear. That takes you to your settings. You're going to click on My Account. And then you're just going to click the little circle with your little kid in it. You're going to click that, and it'll say, are you sure you want are you sure you want Discord to access your files and take pictures? Just hit OK on both of those. And then you can hit gallery photos, all of that stuff, or you can just click camera to take a picture. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna take a picture of my keyboard. Kapow. There we go. Oh yes, that's amazing. Alright, so now that you have this amazing picture, you're gonna go like this. Kapam. And then there you go. That's all you really need to do. You just need to hit that save button, and then you got your new profile picture, and then it will make it full screen. So yeah, that's all you need to do. If this video helped you at all, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed yet, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.